I was taking today as a resilience building, confidence building ride to get my body used to this weight, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job pacing myself. So with this climb, the climb of the day, I'm averaging about 4 to 5 miles per hour. So this will help me gauge what the rest of the trip will look like and what my other days will look like from a timing perspective. So I'm feeling pretty great right now. Into a town called Tamson. I did 31 miles, 3,800 feet, and it's now 11 a.m. So now I have the rest of the day to myself. Hello! Got some kids really wanting me to respond with a hello. So, okay, see you soon. So delicious. That place is just literally sells chicken pho. Oh. Xin chào. I'm taking a breather now because I just finished 4,000 feet climbing, and I could tell my body is taking a toll, so I'm glad I'm keeping this day short. So I'm spending a few minutes looking at this. Yeah, they're staying here. Good morning, everyone. It is day 4. It'll be 15 miles, 2,200 feet, and that's intentional because it's essentially my recovery day. In the meantime, I'm taking my sweet time getting to my next location, and this path I'm taking right now is phenomenal. Booking.
Bao tiền chưa hả cô?
8.000 một
Lấy một cái.
Taking a pit stop halfway on my ride, and I am just construction going on, and I am glad that I brought this bike for the gearing and plus like the unexpected terrain. So it's really making me think about my capabilities and the bike's capability, and how sometimes I can get caught up in my worries thinking that like the route's going to be inaccessible, but considering that a lot of people need to pass through these towns and there's only a handful of roads that get there, there's mostly going to be a way to get through. So I think with the bike even more so, it is possible to make it, and I'm learning a lot about myself in this process. Just seeing what the rest of this route will look like and enjoying it while I can. A freaking cockroach landed on my hand, and that freaked me the hell out. So I am now assembling my stuff this morning under this mosquito net. Lovely people along the way. So my gravel bike will be put to the test today, hence this mask. It's going to get really dusty, and it's just all descending from here. It's 40 miles, 4,000 feet elevation. So I'm glad I got the climb out of the way and just really smooth sailing. Pretty damn good. Even fatigued at certain points, but overall my body was like